దీంట్లో పెట్టాలి. ఓకే, స్టార్ట్ చేయండి త్వరగా. ఎవరు స్టార్ట్ చేశారు?
Hello. Hi,
Yes.
sir. Good evening.
Yeah, madam. Please continue.
I'm Kavita, sir.
Yes, Kavita.
Sir, can I tell my introduction or else directly start the presentation?
Yeah, you can also explain your introduction, no problem.
Okay, sir. I'm Kavita, sir. I
Okay.
completed my highest graduation in 2015 MBA. Actually, my total background is BSc, sir. Mathematics background only. Just
Okay.
I did my MBA, but I have basic knowledge on accounting. And that's why
But
I'm interested
madam,
in
your voice
SAP.
is not that much level, so it is possible to make it little bit louder.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Is it okay, sir?
Yes,
Now?
yes. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. My total background is mathematics background, sir. Only I did MBA.
Okay.
That is also specialization in HR, sir.
Okay.
But I have good knowledge in accounting because I've researched some videos and I listened some videos in YouTube and
Okay.
channel also I am daily watch that.
Okay. So
Sir,
what is
coming
your
to our topic,
qualification actually?
MBA, sir. MBA 2015.
Okay, you finished up in 2015, right? Okay, great.
Yeah. 15,
Okay, guys,
16.
please make it mute. అందరూ కూడా మ్యూట్ లో పెట్టుకోవాలి. ఓకే, సో ఇది కామన్ పాయింట్. ఇది డైలీ కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ చెప్పాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు దీని గురించి. ఓకే, కంటిన్యూ మేడం.
Okay, sir. Okay. From last 1 year, I am searching for a SAP, sir.
Okay.
Now I joined your institute, sir. Before that, I didn't join any institute.
Okay.
But just I searched videos and I get knowledge from some videos in SAP in YouTube, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Coming to our topic, yesterday's topic, SAP consultant roles and responsibilities. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You said that SAP consultant have more responsibilities and roles.
Correct.
Once you joined as a SAP consultant, we have so many responsibilities. In that we have some major responsibilities, that is strategic level responsibility, operational level responsibility, implementation level, troubleshooting level, documentation, compliance, and MIS reports.
Okay.
Okay. Strategic level responsibility means it is a planning. Strategic is nothing but mandatory. Yes, sir. Mandatory means we have to plan perfectly. In this two companies are involved, that is client company and payroll company in
Okay.
strategic level.
Instead of using the payroll company, you can directly say consulting.
Sorry, sir.
So instead of using payroll company, you can say direct consulting company.
Yeah, consulting company or payroll company.
No, consulting and client.
Client company and consulting company.
Right.
Okay. Client will consult to consulting company about their project or business process, business requirements. Yes, sir. They will give the planning. They will give the product explain what they are doing as production or service to the consulting company. That client company will meet to consulting company. That consulting company recruit consultants to implement the project in SAP for client company. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Then that consulting company recruit SAP consultant to gather the information, total business information, SLA, resources of client company. Total for that, they recruit the SAP consultant. Consultant have to do that business process, SLA, and all things about the client company for SAP implementation. After that, after that is as another responsibility of operational level. In that operational level, documentation is the main thing, and client company will give the as is information to the SAP consultant. entire information they will give. Consultant will do the how to map the SAP system, to be information how to how to client company to the implement into the SAP software. That operation will be done by SAP consultants in operational level. Implementation level means total implementation, total accounting, accounts payable, account receivable, designing, that whole things done by SAP consultant at implementation level, like AR, AP, GL, GST, financial statements, etc. All will done by implementation level in the SAP consultants. And another role is troubleshooting level. Some issues are raised by SAP end users to the SAP consultants. Then that consultants will take the issues from end users and they will troubleshoot the problems from SAP end users. That is have some levels, sir. P1, P2, P3, P4, like that. P1 level, they have to resolve P1 complaint. They have to resolve in 2 hours. P2 complaint, they have to resolve in 6 hours, like that. P3 4 days, P4 5 days, like that. They will troubleshoot the problems. If that problem is not solved by the SAP consultant, they will also approach directly to ABAP consultants, or else they will directly go to SAP software consultants. And another thing is documentation, sir. SAP consultant has to maintain documents very securely, and they have all responsibility for all documents, all the information about the client information. This is the very legal issue. They have to maintain particular documents in the secure way. And compliance is also like that, sir. Compliance means that is also maintenance and security maintenance. And final thing is MIS reports. MIS reports means consultant, SAP consultant not only give the implementation operational, that not only that, they have to communicate with their implementation projects to SAP financial means reports. They have to report the total financial information to managers, high level managers, mid level managers. That is the MIS report level, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. It's enough, sir. Sir,
Yeah,
completed, sir.
okay, thank you very much, madam. But thing is, you are explaining whatever you are explaining, just like what we had discussed yesterday. The same thing you are explaining, but that is not my expectation.
Yeah,
So
okay,
you
sir.
need to
Okay.
prepare the document properly. Okay,
Sir,
whatever the terminology is mentioned in the document, the same thing you will have to explain
yeah,
next time.
okay, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Okay, so you
Okay.
prepared well, but you didn't use the document. That is the problem.
Sir, I used, sir, some things are not understood, sir, in this
Yeah,
document.
the terminology is very important, madam. Terminology is very important. That is the reason I suggested to
Yeah,
review the document.
like enhancement,
Correct.
functionality, that
Correct.
word,
Correct.
sir. Yeah, yeah, okay, sir. I can improve
Okay.
myself.
Anyhow, thank you. Nice explanation.
Okay, sir.
Who
Thank you
is
very much.
next?
Good evening, sir. My name is Ravi Kiran.
Yes.
I completed my graduation in 2016, BCom Computers.
Okay.
Uh, Today topic, yesterday you give me a project from a client. Based on that, we are running a client's business division PI.
Mm-hmm.
PI means profitable flexibility.
Okay.
We done that FICO in profitability index
Yeah, yeah, one
based on,
second, sir. 1 second. Sir, what is the PI, sir, in that? I didn't get that, sir.
Okay. Okay. That is just
prof-
like okay. That is not a matter. That is also not required even. So the
Sir,
key
that
roles
is
and
what is,
responsibilities are very much important for us. Okay.
sir, PI means what is that abbreviation, sir, actually?
Okay. That
profitability
is
index.
Profitability index, that only. Yes.
Ah, okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
PI means we already know that one thing, sir. It's already installed FICO in that company, sir. We done some implementations on that, sir. First of all, our position will be the FICO in M1 level. The position for our position purpose is to develop the SAP FICO and support with the others and some analyzation to the company and documentation, configuration and testing and support to the FICO areas and rectify some errors. Our key responsibilities are in two ways, sir: strategic way and operational way, sir. The strategical way is based on the client's requirements. We will plan and architect and add some modules in the FICO of projects and enhancements the FICO. And in operational level, we will gather all the requirements and data of the and documents of the company and the gaps between the company documents and prepare a blueprint and documents and functional and some design and architecture to the company. And implementation level, we will analyze the and design and construct some FICO module and implemented the old data and the clients what their requirements we will done and we rectified and we will test. Sir,
ఇది అందరూ మ్యూట్లో పెట్టాలి రవికిరణ్. ఓకే సో ఓకే see you need to prepare well because this might be explanation not sufficient at all. Anyhow, nice explanation, but you need to prepare well. Read the document in proper way and tomorrow again you will start. Okay,
thank you.
Yeah,
hi sir.
బాగా చెప్పారు కానీ ఏంటంటే ఇంకా ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ కావాలి అండ్ సీక్వెన్స్ లేకుండా చెప్తున్నారు మీరు.
Okay
సార్ అది డాక్యుమెంట్ లోది నేర్చుకుని ఓన్ గా చెప్పొచ్చా సార్? ఏమన్నా డిఫరెంట్
ఓకే, ఓన్ గా చెప్పినా పర్లేదండి. డాక్యుమెంటేషన్ రికమెండ్ చేయడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఆ టెర్మినాలజీ కొంచెం హార్డ్ గా ఉంటుంది. ఓకే, సో మీరు కొంచెం హార్డ్ గా ఉన్న టెర్మినాలజీ ఎప్పుడైతే యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారో మీరు ఏంటంటే సో ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మీరు హార్డ్ గా ఉన్న టెర్మినాలజీ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నారంటే డెఫినెట్ గా మార్క్స్ పడతాయి. అట్ ది సేమ్ టైమ్ 4+ years ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ మీరు పెట్టుకొని వెళ్తున్నారు కాబట్టి ఆ లాంగ్వేజ్ కి మీరు ముందుగానే అడాప్ట్ అయిపోవాలి. అది పర్పస్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్.
Hi sir, this is Suresh Babu.
Yes, చెప్పండి.
Sir, hi team, good evening. My name is Suresh Babu and today I am going to explain SAP consultant roles and responsibilities in real-time scenarios. So for SAP FICO consultant roles and responsibilities, we are classifying mainly 7 steps. Those steps are strategic level, operation level, implementation level, troubleshooting and documentation, compliance level and MS report. Coming to strategic level means it's a planning and it's a highest level of meeting in the organizations. So in the strategic level, what will happen? Example, one company is the Tata group of companies. They are using SAP Tally ERP9 package for the day-to-day transactions. Now they want to convert from Tally ERP9 to SAP FICO. For that, the Tata group of companies, they will do the bidding with the consulting companies like TCS, IBM, Wipro, all those consulting companies. Once bid is finalized, the consulting company will come into the picture. Then the
video కనపడుతుంది.
Hello.
Yes, please continue.
That consulting company will come into the picture and they will do the agreement between client and consulting company. There will be an agreement that is called service level agreement. This in service level agreement means how many days that project should be complete. They will mention in that service level agreement. And once consulting companies selected, they will do the resources. That means recruiting the team members for FICO level, MM level, SD level, upper, and basis teams. They will recruit the team members for the project. Once the project is started, hello.
Yes, yes, go ahead, please.
How many resources required? Once resources is completed, and they will do the kickoff meeting. Here, kickoff meeting means what is the project goals, what is the objectives, and what is the duration of the period of that project. This is about strategic level. Coming to the operation level, operational means the FI consultant will do the documentation and do the sign up for this project. Here, operation level, first the consultant will gather the information, entire business information in the client. That is, we can say that as is document. After considering, after go through all the business information, the FI consultant will prepare the to be document, that is future dated document, that is how to map the SAP in the client organization. Once to be document is prepared, and if there is any gap, that means as per client requirement and consultant configuration setting, if there is any mismatch, there will be a gap, that is called gap analysis. For the gap analysis, the FI consultant will contact with ABAP or technical person for the issues of gap. This is about operation level. Coming to implementation level, here implementation level means implementation, configuration and design for a project as per client requirement. And here FI consultant will do the configuration for all FI modules like general ledger, accounts payable, asset accounting, withhold tax and GST, foreign currency valuation, all those things he will do configuration. One configuration is completed in the client location, then they have to do testings. Here testing means it may be unit testing, user acceptance testing, regression testing and integration testings also. Once testing is completed in the client location, then they will go for then they will move to production. In the production level, the end user they will do the entries on daily basis. If there is any errors, again they will raise a ticket to the FI consultant only. So this is all about implementation level. So coming to troubleshooting, here troubleshooting means analyze the issues and resolve the issues, and giving, or can say we are giving support to the client in all the ways. All the ways means example accounts receivable, accounts payable and fixed asset, taxation, all those things we have to support. And here there will be a SLA, service level agreement, in way of tickets. Here tickets will be P1 tickets, P2 tickets, P3 tickets and P4 tickets. P1 tickets should be resolved within 2 hours and P2 tickets should be resolved within 6 hours and P3 ticket should be resolved within 4 working days and P4 tickets should be resolved within 5 working days. This is about troubleshooting level. Coming to documentation level, and this is a very important and confidential document in the company. Whatever configuration done by the FI consultant in the organization, like for GL configuration, AP, all those things, configuration, whatever is done in the client location, he has to prepare the documentation in Word or PPT presentation. Whatever is prepared presentation, whatever document prepared in the organization, those documents should be approved by the manager and client. Once approval is completed, those documents should be saved in respective shared drive of the place. Once it is shared, and all other FI consultant they can use the documents. And this is about documentation level. Coming to compliance level. Compliance level means it's a client ethics and policies. And here the FI consultant should follow the client ethics and client policies, and he should not interfere his own knowledge, and he should not misuse any documentation, any information about the client information, and he should not share any documents outsiders. So it's all about compliance level. Coming to MIS reports. MIS reports means Management Information Systems Report. So here what is going to happen, the FI consultant will prepare the reports weekly wise or monthly wise. Example, I can say what are the issues has been resolved in FI or CO levels in a weekly. Those issues resolved, it should be reported in a manner. This is all about roles and responsibilities of FI consultant in real time. Thanks for listening and let me know if there is any changes required. Thanks, team.
Okay, nice explanation. There is nothing from my side. So anything will be discussed later. So far, everything is good. Okay. So I don't want to change anything.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So next.
Hi, sir. This is Satya Prasannapma.
Yeah. Name. Your voice is not audible. So please rise.
Hi, sir. My name is Satya Prasannapma.
Yes, please.
I have 10 years of experience in accounts payable and warehouse management. I have did graduation in MBA Finance. So I would take you to the topic regarding SAP FICO consultant in real-time scenario. So here in the project division, it was a profitability index where my location is as per the client location. So it was allotted to Gurgaon, and I was working in the department IT, and my position was a functional consultant, and I'm in a mid-level, and I report to the delivery project manager. So basically, my roles and responsibilities here are to look after the. So basically, the company is a manufacturing company. So I would like to look after the projects and analyze, design, and document, and test and execute. See that it well designed as per the project to meet the uh, management and the client satisfaction. So basically, this project involves the key responsibilities like strategic, operational, implementation, troubleshooting, training, and documentation, compliance, and MIS reports levels. So basically, in strategic, we do discuss in a company like manufacturing. Basically, we do design what are the different requirements of manufacturing products, and we get the requirements from the clients, what exactly required from the head functional delivery manager. So based on that, we do design for different requirements of modules to, because basically the project is based on migration from non-SAP to SAP. So we need to know the each and every requirement. So based on that, we need to enhance and get the data from the non-SAP clients. So by that, we could able to relate to our project and design and execute within the time levels which they are given. So this the major and strategic what we do plan is what are the
I think you are on mute. So please check your audio settings. So please come out from mute. Yeah.
am I audible now, sir?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Basically, should I start from first?
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Yeah. See, my name is Satya Prasannapma. I have started career in Genpact. So I do have 10 years of work experience in accounts payable and warehouse operations. So now I take you to the topic regarding FICO consultant roles and responsibilities. So basically, in project we do design for profitability index, and I do work for the IT department, and the client location uh, is Gugan. So I'm a functional consultant. So she's working in the mid-level. I would report to the delivery project manager. So basically, in the FICO roles and responsibilities is that we take initiation as per the business requirements. So based on that, we do analyze, design, and document and configure as per the client satisfaction. So depending upon the contract or time levels which are given in the project. Basically, the functional consultant definitely will look upon different levels in the business. Like we do check in strategic, operational, implementation, training, documentation, compliance, and MIS reports level. So basically, we in a strategic level, we do plan and design how well we can execute the project based on the requirements. Because definitely the client who comes to us is he's a non-SAP client, so definitely we need to migrate it with SAP. So based on that, we need to investigate and get all the data and understand their business strategies and also the business structure of them, and by which we can deliver the project very easily. So where by this we can able to recommend and improvise the project in as a FICO consultant, and also we can do repeated changes. So by these all improvements, the client get a good. I mean, we can make a good improvements in the methods which we implement in the project, and also we can integrate by understanding the business into non-SAP to SAP by having a very easy solution. This is about a strategic level, and moreover in operational, basically we gather and design the requirements of a clients. So based on their expectation, we have to meet the requirements, and we need to analyze the documentation gaps where exactly this particular scenario suits to non-SAP to SAP business. So by that we could able to expect the process in a very designed manner, and also we can build and we can by analyzing and knowing the client business easily, and also from different vendor point of view, what are the business, what is the profit, what are the revenue they have earned before. Based on that, we could able to finalize the blueprint and build the documents as a functional consultant. We can design based on the client specifications. So by this, we can able to develop the project plan and implementation, which can prioritize the client's points and also inculcate in the SAP project, SAP project. So this is all about like operational level. And coming to implementation, after analyzing what all the data we have collected and documented, what all we have analyzed in the gap between that client information and integrating with to SAP, then we could able to test whether this exactly works in the project, how well it can be useful to the users, I mean end users, and we could implement into business, how well we can.
Okay, thank you very much. That's enough. Okay, you are explaining everything. Okay, there is no changes are required, but in future, so we will discuss in which areas we need to brush up, because this topic is only for the demo perspective. Just like just checking your communication and the way you are catching the things. That's it. Everything is fine from my side, from your side. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next, who is next?
Manjunath Sonar.
Okay.
My name is Manjunath and I have finished my MBA.
Okay.
And as a SAP FICO consultant, the roles and responsibilities are strategic level, operational level, implementation level, troubleshooting level, documentation, compliances, and MIS reports. The main role in strategic levels are to coordinate with the clients and taking the informations of all the required gathered informations from the business users, and the SL level agreement and kickoff meeting, resources, project goals, objectives, duration, all things are discussed in this strategic levels. And going to operational levels, we gather the requirements and expectation process of our SAP models, like what and all the design and functional designs and specifications is required for business process and blueprints, and building the documentations and as is and expected process analysis, and develop project plan for implementation by duly prioritizing the change request received. And in implementation level, we will analyze and design and construct test and implementations for financial processes, controls, and application enhancements, and moreover lead multiple project activities related to business transformations and automation and digitalizations for the finance vertical specifically. Appropriately communicate project status, escalate issues and upcoming, and managing timelines within the goals. And moreover, coming for troubleshooting levels, we will perform and fix the analysis which come in client places and recommend solutions for financial related process, and identify the integration issues with our models and develop.
Yeah, I'm sorry to interrupt you. So you're just reading the document or explaining in your own way?
Like I have my own way of speaking, so I am doing that one.
No, you're just reading the document, or you are.
Some of the words have been taken from the documentation.
Okay, so you are without reading, you are explaining, right?
Yes.
Okay, that is very important. So you followed the document. That is
Yes,
very
yes.
important. Okay, yeah, go ahead.
Moreover, and in troubleshoot, we will fix all the issues coming from the productions. Like there are 3 type of servers in SAP, no? We will get issues in testings, and we will resolve all the problems coming in the implementation projects. And moreover, after the project, we are going to train the end users about the product, and also how to handle the situations, and moreover enhancing the new functionality and also broad explanation about the project product from beginning to till now. And in documentation and compliances, we are going to create our own process methodologies and explain them to the clients to manage the situations, and take the initiatives. And moreover, in MIS and reports, we are going to configure and develop our own financial reports as required by the functional teams. This is what I have done.
Nice explanation. Thank you so much. Okay, nothing to change. But you followed the document, right? So
Yes.
that is the reason your way of communication, presentation looks very fantastic.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
so that makes sense, and that words are very impressive. Okay, so whatever the document you read out, the same thing you are explaining. The words you are catching, and the same you are representing to others people.
The only one thing, when we go for the interview, we want to attract them with the words only, so that I can do whatever given by the clients or with our companies.
Yes, very impressive. Okay, nice explanation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Who is next? Basically, are you doing any job, or just like any other?
Sir, actually, I am working for a proprietary company in my native place.
Okay.
And before I work for a MBA, sir, accounts payable in MNC company in BPO.
Total, how many years of experience you have?
I have almost 20 years of experience.
Oh, really?
Yes,
20
and past from 12 years I am working. I am trying to get job for SAP, and I didn't succeeded.
Oh, okay, no problem. This time definitely you will get successful in all areas of SAP. No worries. So we will
Thank you,
train you like that. Anyhow, nice meeting you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank
So
you.
you from Bangalore, right? Last time you
No, sir.
connected.
No, sir. Actually, I am from
Got it.
Ballari Hospital.
Yes, yes. Okay. Next, who is next?
Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, sir. So this is Syed Ahmed Basha.
Yes, yes.
Completed BCom from 2013. Now I'm considered as a SAP FICO consultant. Myself, I'm doing the SAP. The consider my roles and responsibilities is strategic level, operation level, implementation level, troubleshooting,
Okay.
documents, complaints, and MIS reports. In strategic level, first of all, we have to get planning. That is, our client is what our business is doing, what is the plantation, what business is going on, is in India business, out of the country business is there. What is the transaction taken? How many? How we going to plan our client with his success? That is the strategic level planning of the day.
Would you
Next
mind,
is the
can
operation
you
level.
please raise your voice a little bit more because it's low, very completely low. Okay, just
No.
raise your voice. That's it.
Oh, okay. This is operation level gap analysis. 1 minute, sir.
Hello.
Okay, okay, sir.
Yeah. Now fine.
Operation level is nothing but what we are going to do. What we are going after the documents of signing off. We can what we do is to be given. What to be do, that is in operation level, sir. In the implementation level after signing off the debt, the clients wants to be daily activities, accounts payable, account receivable, banking, asset accounting, controlling integration of other modules, NMSD, controlling of modules, cost accounting, profit accounting, center accounting, all that all the configuration of done. It is applied to client other basis. Troubleshooting level of the troubleshooting level. We are completing our project. We will attend to go into our payroll company after troubleshooting levels. Level a client facing any problems like invoices are not issuing invoices, some invoices are not displaying invoice, having a bank asset problem, bank document, check lots, documents, anything in the documents. Troubleshooting, we can fix the errors according to the claims. Documentation is after all completion of project, the documents will be at the we can submit to our client because of submit to our client because of our for training of end users, for company employees is there, we can submit that documentation. Compliance is nothing but, sir, he can after the project preparation of any required is there, after financial computation of audit report, anything problem, we can complain, sir. The complaints we can help, sir. MIS reports is nothing but a management information system report, sir. That is a decision making system report. So we can high level management, we can, that can take a decision according to the how many sales are going, how many purchases are going, how many expenses are going. It is with up and down is there. Our sales profit according to the quarterly basis information. These are the MIS reports, sir. That's the SLI, the service level agreement, sir. The agreement is how long will be we serve to our company, our client based company. We can support basis or implementation of the project will be depends upon the client request. That's all.
Okay, nice. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, let's stop the presentation session.